Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Centura Health account on your website. So let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to Centura Health Login. You can do this by typing Centura Health Login. Now scroll down and click on Sign In. After that, you will be directed to sign-in page of Centura Health. Make sure you already have an account on Centura Health to log in. Enter your Centura login name and password, then click on Sign In. Centura Health login page also provides you the facility to recover your password in case you have forgotten it. Just click on Forgot Password, and there you have it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Centura Health account. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with others. See you later.